Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you know when my new video is up. Hello everybody and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Mint and today we are going to make one of my favorite skins in Fortnite. I am super excited. I hope you like the game as much as I do. Let's get started with the tutorial because I can't wait to become a Fortnite character. Woo! Let's go! The first thing we're gonna do is to take a little bit of acetone and we are going to remove the freckles. We are gonna remove the lipstick and we are going to remove the eyebrows as well. Let's remove the eyelashes, but just the bottom eyelashes, not the wing. And now with a little bit of red acrylic paint, we are gonna paint the eyes. This step is going to need 2 to 3 layers of paint because the base is really dark. Now that we have the red that we want, we are going to paint the middle black. For the eyebrows, I made the eyebrows really thick because the character has it this way. So I think it looks funny. And now let's add 1 dot of white acrylic paint to add shine to the eyes. I added 1 line of white acrylic paint as well. And now we let it dry and we are going to start working on the hairstyle after, after the doll is completely dry. Don't forget to paint the lips. Hello! Now for the hair, we are going to cut this ponytail that she has because we need a plain hairstyle like so. We are gonna cover the hole with some tape. And now we take a piece of air dry clay and we cut it. We place it on the doll like this. And we start forming the hairstyle. Here we can cut it again. Now we take another piece of clay. You can cut a little bit of the excess. And now we add details to the hair. This is what we have so far. It's looking fabulous, I love it. And now with a black piece of clay, we are gonna place it as a headband. And now we are gonna add a little bit of gray clay, which are the spikes, to the headband. She's looking so cute right now. And now we are gonna make a couple of lines to the body. We take a tool like this one and we start scratching the surface until it is really thin, how you want it to be. Now for the pants, we are going to paint the legs and a little bit of the belly purple. We are gonna need 2 to 3 layers of paint. And now we are gonna make the guitar. I have 2 pieces of foam. We are gonna take the first piece, we are gonna glue the second piece in the middle, and then we are gonna glue this on top, like so. Let's paint the center gray. We add more details with black acrylic paint. This is what I have so far. I added a couple of lines with black first, and then a really small line all the way up with gray acrylic paint. I'm gonna paint the other half yellow. When we add the third layer, it should look something like this. We are going to cover a lot of imperfections with black, and now we are going to start with the t-shirt. Now we add the belt with black acrylic paint. We add 2 lines to the pants. Let's add the design to the pants. Like so. This is how it looks. I think it is turning out amazing. I love it already. Let's add the gloves. I have these boots from other doll and I'm gonna use it for this doll. Now we just need to paint them black. Let's add the details to the shirt with gray acrylic paint. And now we are gonna add the name to the shirt. Really careful. We just need to add a couple of details and I will show you the final result right now. Woo! This is what I have so far. I think it is looking so good. Now with green acrylic paint, we are gonna add the ribbon. I also finished the boots. They are looking really cute. Now we are gonna put the shoes on so that we can finish the design. To finish the design, we are gonna take gray air dry clay and we are gonna place it on the boots. You can add a little bit of glue before placing the clay. We place the second piece and we try to make the shape that we want. When you have something like this, the only thing left to do is to paint 2 lines here. And we are done! I will show you the final result right away. Are you ready for the reveal? Here it is! I love her so much. She had so many details and I think I made them all. I tried my best to make them all. And here is the guitar as well. You can place it on her hand or you can place it like the skin on her back as well. It looks so cute. I love it. This is the final result. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. I love this doll so much. She has so many details. I'm really proud of her. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make more Fortnite skins. I would love to make them all, or at least the ones that I really like. If you are not part of the Mint family, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. I love you a lot. If you have any ideas, suggestions for new videos, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Mint out. Bye.